Hello guys, from OGS Mechanics workshop. We're having today this VW Passat, and you thought that it's going to be a good idea to make a video because it's a situation that we have seen it several times in the past. Car came in non-starting, intermittent non-starting, several faults, management light on the dash intermittent. When we scan it, like I said, we've seen several faults. At some point the car was starting, then it stopped starting. Doing some checks, everything was pointed to the ECU. ECU is located under the windscreen. We've seen it in the past where they get quite corroded outside because of water leaking on top of it. And also, that's not the problem. The problem is that eventually water makes room and comes also inside the ECU through this breather point. And eventually corrodes the board, as it can be seen. And obviously at this stage the ECU is compromised. You see even the seal is not working properly anymore, and it lets the water to get inside. So it's going to be a case of replacing the ECU. Luckily we can help this customer to keep the cost down, and we can program a second-hand ECU. But yeah, still gonna be quite an extensive and expensive job. And you know, for you, if you are a VW Passat owner, it's worthwhile make sure that drains are always clear, and the panel that is covering the ECU, it's well located in place, so it properly protects the ECU, and you won't get in such a situation. Again, a glimpse in our daily activity in OGS Mechanics, from general servicing to advanced diagnostic, coding and programming. OGS Mechanics is one stop for all your vehicle needs.